Hello, and let's welcome Ed Schlatter to our Fireside Chat. Ed is a partner at Knobbe Martens out of our Orange County office in California. Welcome, Ed.
Thank you.
I'm so glad to have you here. You're such an expert at all things intellectual property. So tell us a little bit about that ride you've been on for many years now.
Yes, I've been an intellectual property attorney for 35 years, or actually tomorrow it'll be 35 years.
Oh my gosh, 35 years tomorrow, congratulations.
Thank you. All 35 years with Knobbe Martens. I actually was a summer associate for the Olympics in 1984, and that's actually why I came out to California.
No way.
Because my roommate was an alternate for the U.S. Olympic volleyball team.
Oh my gosh, how exciting for you. That's how you came here to California.
So I came to California. That's how I came to Knobbe Martens. I needed a job if I was going to come to California. And met these great people at Knobbe Martens, Olson & Bear at the time.
Yes.
And the rest is
history, as they say.
Yes, exactly.
So how many of these have you done in your career for 35 years tomorrow?
How many patent applications?
Yes, sir.
Thousands, I would guess.
Thousands. Who's done that before? That's amazing. So we're talking about a real expert here, you guys. I don't know anybody else that's done that, and 35 years of one firm either, so congratulations on that. It's quite an accomplishment. So tell us what type of clients you typically look for.
Generally, I'm looking for manufacturing companies,
Okay.
but also a lot of companies don't manufacture anymore. They outsource it. So it's a company that is designing a product. And generally speaking, the key is that they have a significant profit margin that they're trying to protect. So I have clients that have $10,000 e-bikes that have excellent margins. But likewise, I've got a client who sells scented urinal screens.
What?
For $1 a pop, but he's making a higher margin than they're making on the $10,000 e-bikes.
Wow.
So, and millions of dollars in profit. And,
oh my gosh.
And what he needs to do is, because it's so easy to copy, he needs patent protection to stop
Excellent.
other people from doing it.
Outstanding. So you're going out and getting the bad guys.
Yes.
We love that about you. Yes, get all those bad guys that are taking all our money away from our patents, right? Because they won't be able to legally anymore, right?
Exactly.
So tell us what sets you apart, your firm and you, from other attorneys that do what you do.
Well, I think you kind of hit on it. It's the depth and breadth of experience. So I've been involved in the transfer of trademarks in Cambodia. I've secured patents in Russia and India. Involved in trademark litigation right now in Turkey. Also involved in a joint venture in Norway. So I watched and seen what has worked and what has not worked, and developed strategies to implement that. And I work together with an amazing team. Now, Knobbe Martens has 275 attorneys. That's not that unusual, but 95% of our people have technical backgrounds with PhDs in biotechnology, electrical engineering, computer science.
Wow.
And we have an incredible patent litigation department, patent and trademark litigation department. And the best thing about it is we collaborate together. We're constantly educating one another.
It's a lot of smart people doing a lot of great work. That's what I just heard you say.
A lot of smart people.
And you have so many people supporting that effort, you know, that team of people that are all experts. And your degree is in what?
I'm an industrial engineering major at Georgia
See?
Tech. That was fifth in my class, so I'm very, very proud of that.
See?
Then went to University of Michigan for law school, so, you know.
So, you know,
Go
this
blue.
guy knows what he's doing. Go blue, that's right. We have a lady in my office that also goes blue. She bleeds blue, I think you say, right? Anyway, that's exciting. Well, tell me one more question I want to ask you before we end our fireside chat here, and that is, why do you do what you do? I mean, you do such good work, and you've done it for so many years, and you're such an icon, really, in your industry. And I know that might embarrass you a bit, but it's the truth. So tell us why you do what you do.
Well, a big part of it is to provide for my family. That's certainly
helpful.
Helpful thing. But you know, Knobbe Martens is a special place. It's a firm that was based on being honest and focusing on the
awesome.
quality of the work as opposed to how much money we could make.
No.
And that's just so the antithesis of most structures of law firms that are the pyramid scheme really based around money. So people were encouraged to teach, to write, to be involved in civic and charitable organizations.
Wow.
And I just thought that was so special. And I was a bit of a cynic actually as to the importance of patents initially.
Interesting.
But I've watched as companies, the difference between them getting financing or not getting financing was having patent protection. The difference between them having a successful business and having an unscrupulous manufacturer hijack their creativity was having patents. And lucky enough to make a few of my clients very rich, and that's changed their life. Not to mention driving down the freeway and seeing my clients' bed extenders in the back of pickup trucks and the
cool.
the Joe to go in the Starbucks when you go and you want multiple coffees to go.
Yeah. So you're helping people live their lives a lot easier because of these patents. And I think the Shark Tank has made patents more aware to regular people, right?
Yes.
That are not used to understanding all of that. And I'm a Shark Tank junkie. I just love that stuff, and I want to be your next inventor.
Oh, I like that. That would be great.
Well, I want you guys to be the next inventor too, and I want to make sure you reach out to, of course, our wonderful Ed, who is the most amazing patent attorney that you'll ever meet, and he will help you get things done. So thank you so much. Make sure you call
Thanks
him,
for having me.
and I really appreciate it. Thanks so much, you guys. Welcome, and see you later.
Thank you.